Oh, look at the bottom of the pizza.
This is the dough already. Now we can make a big pizza from this. And now we're gonna divide it into two.
Because we both want the same pizza. So you don't fight about who's getting the biggest piece.
Exactly. Okay, this will go there. Now you will see Karla making pizza. Homemade pizza. Okay, now you will see how.
Can also be very nice.
Fast. Okay, you want to see how you make pizza? You do this first, then you do like this, like that. You put some you're trying to expand it. What's that you need? I think this is too thick, so I'm gonna make it thinner.
It will be thin.
Yes. That's how you make pizza. How did I learn this one? Because I used to work in that pizza station.
Pwede pizza in Rome. In Milano.
Nice land.
In Venice.
See, it looks hard.
Siciliano. Siciliano.
Okay, it's not circle, but it looks
It has to
hard.
be like that. It cannot be circle. It must be like imperfect. When it's perfect, it's not a good pizza. It has to be like.
Okay. Now we're gonna put. Can you also show my face?
Yes, I show your face.
Look at this face. He doesn't wanna show this beautiful
That
face.
is really you who's making it, not somebody.
Yes.
Not a lie.
I wanna show to the people that it's not a lie. It's me making it. It's not edited, okay? It's not AI.
Yes.
Now this is normally
Push the little button.
normally you put the stuff on top already, but of course since we don't have the big thingy to carry it, now it looks hard. Now we can put our. Ta-da! Looks hard. Then we're gonna get a brush.
See, how long do I have to keep this?
Wait until it's finished. You're a cameraman and you are the one who's gonna eat this one.
Yes, I prefer to eat it.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna put some tomato. Gladly, I bought this brush.
Super change.
Yes. It's up to you guys if you want more or just less, but Stefan doesn't like tomato, so I'm gonna put just less.
Like cheese.
So we're gonna put more cheese instead. Okay. There you go. Now, since we have that, we're gonna put meat. So what's the meat that he likes to put? There's open one. Where's the open? You had it already. You finish it. He finished it. Guys.
No comment. No comment.
Okay, just let it be. I know he's hungry and he wants to try this himself. Here, more. No, more than here. One more because I know he likes it to meet.
Yes, but you also need to make two pieces. Divide it.
There's a queso. We have a pure queso.
You can also put a.
Feta. It's last.
And this,
after it's when
and
it's
this is
cooked.
also very good.
You like that? You like it on
Yes,
yours?
peppers, yes.
Okay. Okay. We're gonna put a lot of queso because he loves it. It's cheesy. Here. Cheesier. Cheesies.
It's like your pussy, cheesy.
Okay, now this is our ready-made, but it's not the final. It's just the beginning. Let's go.
Yes, okay.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna
Wait,
put it inside.
yeah, okay, yes.
Okay, mga bakla, nilagyan na natin yan sa oven. Oh, we have 2 layers actually.
Yes, exactly.
But we don't have like this.
Yeah,
That's the problem,
but we
Mike.
don't need it really. Do we really need the tray? Can't you just put it on the paper here? Oh, but yeah, you can put the paper on here and
I'm gonna try, my dear.
so
There you go. We're gonna set it on low fire at first because I know it's gonna get high later on. Okay, it's now of Stefan is done. It's done.
Come.
Bye. See you later on. Look at that. That's my pizza. I should be holding it, not you.
Yes, that's true. You're the chef.
Go ahead.
I did it. I did it.
Look at the pizza. Homemade pizza. Bon appetit, everyone. So yeah, look at that. Let's eat.